welcome to our series of short meditations for beginners. This is the first one and it will run for around about 2 minutes. Sit comfortably in any position you wish and gently close your eyes. And bring the concentration and awareness inside the body. And gently quieten the mind and realize you have nowhere else to be apart from right here and right now in this moment. And start to become aware of the gentle ease of breath, the gentle flow of life with each inhale and exhale. And find peace and stillness in the mind, and peace and stillness in the body. And use your breath as the focal point. And bring all your awareness onto the breath. And if any thoughts do come to mind, that's fine. Just observe the thoughts for a few moments and then just gently release them and bring your awareness back to the breath. Now gently and slowly start to bring awareness back to the body and back to your surroundings. The noise of life, the sounds that surround you, maybe the gentle breeze blowing against the skin. And softly and gently open your eyes. And inhale deeply and exhale deeply. Have a wonderful rest of your day with peace and clarity in the mind. Namaste.